Now we will discuss a next topic, that is Newton's laws of motion. Before we discuss the Newton's laws of motion, I want to tell you that Galileo was a scientist who discovered the free fall of the body, but he was not able to describe it. So Newton has given the three laws to describe the motion of the bodies. So these laws of the Newtons are applicable for the motion of the bodies, and these are known as Newton's laws of motion. Newton has given three laws. One by one we will discuss them in detail. So we come to the first Newton's law, which says that a body at rest will remain at rest and a body in motion will continue in motion in a straight line with a uniform speed unless and until is compelled by an external force to change its state of rest or of uniform motion. Now I want to explain you with an example. अगर एक बुक टेबल पर पड़ी हुई है तो वो टेबल पर पड़ी रहेगी जब तक आप उसे उठाकर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह नहीं रखोगे. इसका मतलब ये है अगर कोई बॉडी रेस्ट में है तो वो रेस्ट में रहेगी जब तक आप उसके ऊपर कोई एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई करके उसे मोशन में नहीं ला रहे. यही न्यूटन का पहला लॉ था, जो है अ बॉडी एट रेस्ट विल रिमेन एट रेस्ट एंड अ बॉडी इन मोशन विल कंटिन्यू इन मोशन. सपोज अगर कोई बॉडी मोशन में है तो वो मोशन में ही रहेगी जब तक उसके ऊपर कोई एक्सटर्नल फोर्स नहीं अप्लाई हो रही है जिसकी वजह से उसकी स्टेट ऑफ मोशन चेंज हो, जिसे हम कहते हैं न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन. न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन ऑल्सो नोन एज द लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया. इनर्शिया क्या होता है? इनर्शिया इज दैट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ बॉडी ड्यू टू विच इट रेजिस्ट अ चेंज इन इट्स स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट और ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. इसका मतलब ये होता है इनर्शिया बॉडी की वो प्रॉपर्टी है जिसकी वजह से बॉडी स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट में रहती है या फिर मोशन में रहती है. Greater the inertia of a body, greater will be the force required to bring a body in its state of rest or of uniform motion. इसका मतलब ये है अगर आप एक टॉय कार लेते हैं जिसका मास क्या होगा, वो कम होगा. It has small inertia. Hence, it can be moved easily by pushing. अब suppose you take a real car which has a large mass, so it has large inertia and hence quite difficult to move it by pushing. So inertia किस पे डिपेंड करता है? बॉडी के मास पर. अगर बॉडी का मास ज़्यादा होगा तो इनर्शिया उसका ज़्यादा होगा. अगर बॉडी का मास कम होगा तो उस बॉडी का इनर्शिया क्या होगा? कम होगा. अब हम कुछ और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. We take a glass tumbler and place a thick square card on its mouth. A coin is then placed on the top of the card. Let us flip the card with our fingers. On flicking the cards moves away, but the coin drops into the glass tumbler. Why? Initially, both the card and the coin were at rest. Now, when we hitting the card with our finger, a force acts on the card and changes its state of rest to the motion. And this is known as inertia of the body, which is changing it from state of rest due to inertia. Now see some of our everyday observation which are based on this property of inertia of a body. When a hanging carpet is beaten with a stick, the dust particle starts coming out of it. This is because the force of the sticks make the carpet move to and fro slightly, but the dust particles tend to remain at rest due to their inertia, hence separate from the carpet, due to which property? It is inertia. And when a tree is shaken vigorously, its roots and leaves fell down, we know, because initially they were at rest, but when we are applying a force, it has come into motion, due to which property they fall down? Because of inertia. Let me tell you one more example. We have seen when a car or a bus starts suddenly, the passengers fall backward. This is due to the fact that because of inertia, the passengers tend to remain in their state of rest or stationary even when the car has just moving. And when a running car stops suddenly, the passengers are jerked forward. Due to which property? Due to inertia. The passengers tend to remain in their state of motion, even though the car or the bus has come to rest.